What's going on, everyone? We are back for our next coding problem. Just a quick FYI, we are done with all the arrays and strings, and now we are on the 2-pointers. This next one is valid palindrome, and I just found out what the heck that meant today. It's any word that can be read back and forth, or any sentence that can be read back and forth. We're gonna go ahead and copy this code, and we'll throw it into our editor. Just for you guys to know, solution section is pretty brutal. People did not like this one right here. They were saying it was false at work. You know how these people get. They get a little crazy, a little nutty. Well, some people said nice explanation. Anyway, we're gonna see if ChatGPT can make this easy to understand. Go ahead and paste this in here, see what it comes up with.
Problem recap. Valid palindrome 1 in 25. A palindrome is a word or phrase that reads the same forward and backward, ignoring spaces, punctuation, and capitalization. Your task is to 1. Remove all non-alphanumeric characters from the given string S. 2. Convert the string to lowercase. 3. Check if it reads the same forward and backward. Example simplified. 1. In a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. Output, true. After cleaning, it becomes a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, which is a palindrome. 2. Input, race a car. Output, false. After cleaning, it becomes race a car, which is not a palindrome. 3. Output, true. 1. Empty string is considered a palindrome. Anime story, the Mirror of Truth. In the mystical land of Etheria, a legendary artifact known as the Mirror of Truth was said to reveal the purest essence of one's heart. However, only those who could answer a riddle about the nature of reflections could unlock its power. The riddle was simple. Can you tell if this phrase mirrors itself? One day, a young scholar named Kade, carrying a book of ancient scripts, stood before the mirror. To prove her worth, Kade had to determine whether a phrase, after removing all distractions, symbols, spaces, and capitalization, would read the same forward and backward. If she failed, the mirror would vanish forever. Kade muttered to herself, "All I have to do is purify the phrase, then check if the reflection matches the original. I can do this." With her enchanted quill, Kade wrote a script that would solve the riddle for her. As she tested the script, the mirror began to glow brighter and brighter. Code? Check for palindrome, Kade's script. Here's the simple Java solution Kade used to unlock the Mirror of Truth. Java class solution, public boolean is palindrome string S. Step 1, purify the string. String builder purified equals new string builder. For char ch esta char array, if character does letter or digit, keep only letters and numbers purified, append character dot to lowercase. Convert to lowercase. Step 2, check if it reads the same forward and backward. String clean string equals purified dot to string. String reverse string equals purified dot reverse. Return clean string dot equals reverse string. 1. Purify the string. Kade removed everything except letters and numbers. She converted all characters to lowercase for consistency. 2. Compare the reflection. She reversed the clean string and checked if it matched the original. If the two matched, the phrase was a palindrome, and Kade would triumph. Example walkthrough. Input: a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. After cleaning, a monoplana canal, Panama. Reversed: a monoplana canal, Panama. Output: race a car. After cleaning, race a car. Reversed: race a car. Output false.
Okay, so this is the thumbnail we have. I'm not sure if I love it, but let's see if our code is love. So we'll copy this, throw it into here. Just run it, and everything passed. So every one of these words can be read. Well, not this one. This one you can't be read front to back. But this one, I can't believe that. It can be read front and back. That's weird. And our next question is subsequent. All right, we'll answer that one in the next video. Peace.